Good morning, students, and good day, everyone. My name is Odufeso Tajudeen. I'm your economics teacher. Students, you are welcome to Odufeso Tajudeen online class. Today, we want to discuss on money. Topic, money. Subtopic, features, functions, and types of money. At the end of this class, students, you should be able to define money. You should be able to mention any three features of money. You should be able to define trade by barter. You should be able to state any functions of money that you know. You should be able to tell me different types of money. Now, what is money? Money is anything that is generally acceptable as a medium of exchange and in the settlement of debts. We can also explain money as anything that is generally acceptable as a means of payments. We can explain money as anything that is generally acceptable as a means of payments or as a means of transaction. This is a typical example of money. This is Nigeria money, where we have different types, of money, different amounts of money. This is another examples of money used in different countries. Okay, now let's move forward to trade by barter. Trade by barter is one of the oldest means of making transaction or exchange of anything in this country or before the arrival of real money. We can explain trade by barter as a form of trading whereby goods are exchanged directly for other goods without the use of money and as a medium of exchange. What are we talking about? Before the arrival of money, this trade by barter is being used by our forefathers in exchange of goods and services. As a medium of exchange, they use what we call trade by barter in the absence of what? Money. Okay? Now, let's discuss on the problems or disadvantages of trade by barter. One, problems of double coincidence of wants is one of the problems that affects trade by barter. In trade by barter, there is no fixed rate of exchange. There is no fixed rate of exchange, of course, because they don't have the real money. They only exchange goods, in exchange or as a medium of payments. Then wastage of time and efforts. This is one of the problems of trade by barter. It wastes times and effort. Then problems of indivisibilities is another problems or disadvantage of trade by barter. The another one is trade. Another one is problems created by bulkiness of some goods. There's no room for deferred payment at all because there's no real money. It discourages borrowing and lending. It also discourages large-scale productions in many companies. Then the last one, difficulty in storing of words. We can, store words when we are using trade by barter. But if it is money, we can restore or store words, which is also called word accumulation. Okay. Now this is different examples of money used in different countries. Okay. Now let's look at this. Different currency in the world. Where we have, as you can see on your screen, this is cedis used in Ghana. This is euro used in Germany. This is pound sterling used in some of the country, especially in England. Okay, this is real in Brazil. They use real in Brazil. This is naira used in Nigeria. You can visit online and learn different names of currency used in the part of the country or any part of the country. Okay, let's talk about qualities or features or characteristics of money. One, general acceptability. Money must be acceptable by everyone in the exchange of goods and services. Two, we have portability. The object that serve as money must be light in weight to enable people to move here and there in the exchange of goods and services. Relative scarce. Money must be available only in limited quantity, meaning that it must not be too much in the circulation so as not to be lose weight. Must be relatively scarce so that money can have value. Homogeneity is another characteristic or qualities of money. Each unit of money or banknote must be the same in term of size, the same in term of color, the same in term of quality nationwide at all times. Another one is durability. The object, I mean the money that are used in making transaction must be able to withstand physically and wear and tears. They must not be perishable commodities or materials. That is what durability must be able to stay long, use long time. They also have stability as one of the characteristics of money. Money must be able to stable. Divisibility. Money must be able to capable of being divided into smaller denominations or units of values. Then recognizabilities. Money must be able to recognize all over the world. Nigeria money must be recognized in UK, must be recognized in Germany. Germany money must be recognized in Nigeria and all part of the world, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's look at the functions of money. The following are the functions of money as a medium of exchange. We use money for the exchange of goods and services. Standard of deferred payments. We also use money as defer of payments. Then unit of account. Money serve as units of account. Then store of values. We can use money to store values or quantities of goods and services. Money can serve as a mediums of value. These are the functions of money as you can see on your screen. Now let's talk about types or forms of money, where we have coins, we have commodity money, we have bank notes, we have partial money, as you can see on your screen, tender, legal tender. We have token money, we have deposit money, as you can see on your screen. These are the different types of forms of money that can be used for exchange of goods and services, can also serve as mediums of exchange that can be used to make transaction or to make an investment. Okay, I hope you understand, student, because you need to jot down because we are going to use our applicants for the purpose of assessment. And let's look at the last subheading, representative money. What is representative money? Representative money can also call near or quasi money assets, which can refer to as material use as money, which may not be legal tender. What are we talking about? There are some there are some things that we can take to the market instead of taking real money to the market. They serve as money. We can also use them as money, and we have different examples of, as you can see on your screen. We have money order, we have bank order, we have credit transfer, even our ATM card. It can serve as representative money because we can use it to transfer money. We can use our mail transfer. Also, we can use of bill of exchange. We can use what we call check. We can use what is called postal order. We can use bank drafts or satisfied check. These are representative, different examples of representative money, as you can see on your screen. I hope you understand the topic, the concept of money. Oh, beautiful. Can you answer the following question? Oh, thank you. So I hope you understand very well. Okay, let's take this as an assignment. Explain the evolutions of money. You can do that at the back of your note, or you do it and get back to me on WhatsApp for the purpose of correction. Student, thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.